Welcome guys. In this session we are going to talk about different code editors used for Python. Now Python programming is very useful in AI and data science because of its simplicity and applications directly in that domain. Let us discuss 5 different code editors those are useful for Python programming. In this session, I am going to talk about their features and what are different code editors, and we will have different videos for their details. So let us jump into mind map where I am going to show you which are different code editors. So there are 5 different code editors that we are going to discuss. The first one is Sublime. Now Sublime is one of the easy code editors that can be used for Python programming. So it is very easy to use and it gives good user interface when you are coding. The second code editor that you can use is Atom. Now Atom is developed by GIT Hub and it is also very useful for creating good user interface, and it is very simple to use for beginners. So I am recommending Atom code editor for beginners. The third one, that is Pycharm, which is dedicatedly created for writing Python code. Now there are 2 different editions available for Pycharm. Number one, it is professional, and second is a community. Now professional edition is a paid version that we have to purchase for commercial development, whereas community edition is a free of cost. You don't need to pay anything. You can use it for learning purpose or for a small level of commercial purpose. It is specially designed for Python and it's very easy, and there is a very simple approach to use, and it can be used by beginners as well as by experts. The fourth option available to you is Visual Studio Code. Now Visual Studio Code can be used for so many different programming languages, and Python is one of among them. So it can be used for other programming languages. It is also very easy to use, and fast and rapid coding is possible with the help of Visual Studio Code. You can use different kinds of plugins where you can predict what kind of data you are going to use inside a Python programming. The last option that is available is Jupitor Notebook. Now I am recommending to use Jupitor Notebook only in case of you are handling data in your programming. So it is recommended for data processing, data modeling, and data visualization. Most common used code editor for Python are VS Code and Pycharm. You just use any one of this code editor, but I am recommending Pycharm and VS Code for your different kinds of purposes. Now this is the information about different code editors that can be used for Python, and we can use these code editors for writing your AI based applications, your data science based applications. I hope this information is useful. If you like this information, please hit on like button and share this video. Thank you very much.